So I know I should just have cut my yam, but I just need to show you how I preserve my yam. It's just me eating, and this yam will do me. But this is how I preserve my yam. I just take some lemon, then I'll just rub it on top. This way, to stay fresh whenever I want to use it. So I hope you try this trick out. So let's continue cooking. And I'll put the same for the rest. These are all the ingredients I'll be using for my pepper soup. I'm making tilapia fish pepper soup, and this is my fresh basil, my onion, my pepper soup spice, my yam, yeah, the grounded pepper soup spice. In case you don't have this, but this is so important, you can also use this. My seasoning cube and my salt, my crayfish. Yeah, we're using a lot of crayfish. My Habenero pepper, my black pepper. Yeah, the taste of black pepper is unique, so that's what I'll be adding a bit. So this is everything, and for you to make a pepper soup, it's better you prep everything down so that you just be pouring in, and we're using a lot of water. So let's get started, guys. So I'll switch on my up to 11, and I'll start the cooking process by putting in my tilapia fish. Now that has been washed, cleaned, and also I'll pour in all my fish. This has been washed with lemon and salt. Then I'll put in my spices. This is salt and seasoning cube, my black pepper, my pepper soup spice, then I will mix this together. I'll mix this together and just allow it to sit for about 10 minutes. I'm putting my hot back to 1 so that this can steam out instead of burning. And I'll cover the pot. So instead of 11 that I put it, I'm putting it in 1. Then I will allow this to steam together. And while this is steaming, let's start our blending process. So I'm putting in my onions, my banana pepper, some crayfish, a bit of black pepper still, just a bit. Then my pepper spice that I've removed. I'm putting 4 pieces. This is how it looks like. Now blend this together. Sorry, we need to add water. We need to add a lot of water because of the seed. Then let's blend this. Okay, so I'll open my pot now. You can see that's most steaming. Then I'll pour in all my pepper mix. I'm adding some water into my blender just to rinse out the leftover pepper. Then I'll pour it in here. It's pepper soup, so it needs a lot of water, and generally with water. So I feel this is enough. Like, I like the consistency of the water, so I'll leave it this way, and I'll cover and allow to cook for 10 minutes. While this is cooking, I'm honing the smallest up, and I'm putting my pot in. I'm putting my pot in. I'll add a bit of salt into my pot. and I'll allow this to boil for some minutes. While that is cooking, I'll do a bit of washing just to not sit around as well. And it's always best to wash as you go. That way you'll not be overwhelmed after cooking. So this is me washing on my utensils. Now I'm still going to use this wooden spoon. I don't know why I'm still washing it. This is me washing on my utensils. Next washing on the stove, and let's go check on the water for our ham. Guys, I realized I did not mention the name of the seed. It's called Ehuru. Ehuru, yeah, you can find it on eBay for real. And our water is ready, so I'll be adding in our ham, our washed yams. So this yam will just be boiled for about 80%, not fully cooked. If you like your pepper soup to be a bit sticky or mushy, you can add it with the fish. But I didn't add mine because I just want the water to be liquid. So let's check on our fish. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So I'm just opening it. You can see some have not been inside water for a while. So I will just turn it. And look at this. Don't want the water to be too much because the fish is just about 6 pieces. So this will do me. Just me. So this time around I'll be adding the remaining of fish, and I leave some to add at the end of it. So then I'll stir again. I should have added it before stirring, but it's Lydia. Let's stir. Okay. And I've increased mine up to 11 because it was on 3 before. I just allowed it to steam. So now I increase it to 10 and 11. 11 is the highest. Okay, we can just get it over with. So the two food is cooking and yam. And now fish pepper soup tilapia to be precise. So that's just it, guys. Okay, now we can go on with my basil. I'll just clean it up and chop. Let's do that now. Me putting my basil inside water will make it fresh for about 3 days instead of it being in the fridge. My English. So I'll just cut some parts of Caesar. I don't know if I should finish it up because it's just little anyway. I've been using it. So we have parsley left. Let's just use the old basil. Yeah, this is parsley. So I will just pluck it out and rinse. You can use it fresh like this, but the African Union will want to rinse again, which I will do that. Don't know, I feel I should do this behind the camera, but this is my first time doing a voice along with my cooking. Like most time I do voice over and just edit. But I don't know if you guys like this type of my video whereby I cook and I talk along. Please drop a comment below and let me know, because this is a phase whereby I'm trying different kind of techniques to get more audience, more subscribers, more visibility. I don't know if this will work, and I feel for me not to waste your time. You don't really know me. I don't feel you want to chat with me this way or anything. Then maybe I should just edit and upload. Let me know. I will leave this way. I won't cut it out. Let me know if you don't like this type of video. Like if you just want me to go straight to the point, show you the exact thing I want to do, and let's get it over with. So I will rinse this before cutting. So this has been rinsed. I'm picking it out. Then the easiest way for you to do your vegetables is just to rotate it. And if you can see the rotation, and to hold it tight, then you cut. So that's just it. So I'm using basil leaf instead of scent leaf. So what do you think, guys? I also have some fresh meat. I just rinsed it. I haven't tried using fresh meat before, but this is just me eating. There's no harm in trying. Please add a bit of fresh meat. I'm not adding too much because I know fresh meat is strong, so it might take over there. I'll be checking on my yam now, and this is the 80% I'm talking about. So it's not done yet, but almost. So I'll transfer this into my pepper soup after draining the water. And look at that. I'm just opening my pot. Look at that, guys. So this is almost ready. I'll pour in my yam this way and just push it in for about 3 minutes. I'm so excited, guys. It's almost ready. Food is almost ready. What do you think? Will we be trying this out? It doesn't really take a lot of time, imagine. I've been missing out on pepper soup for so long. Okay. So I'll be reducing the light from 11 to 4. So after 3 minutes, I'm opening my pot. As you can see, everything is looking so nice. See me blushing. Oh God. After adding the crayfish, and I'm adding in my basil. This time around, I'm switching off my hob, and I'll allow the steam to marinate well with the basil, and that's all. I'll just stir this together. Okay. Don't want it to scatter, so I'll just put some butter on it. Like this. Okay. Our food is ready. Thank you for watching today's haul, and I will see you in my next video. So watch me plate. Look at that. That juicy yam. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Lydia's Kitchen on Instagram. The kitchen is K instead of H, and on TikTok at Lydia's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Please do drop a comment and have a nice day. Bye.
This is absolutely banging.